There's Austin Singley in the 888, Baker in the 40. There's the 7 of the lead, Barmanchantel, excuse me, I've been saying that wrong. Barmanchantel in the 7. The 06 of John Geiger. The 0515 of Wyatt Watts. Also in the seat, the 88 Brian Hughes out of Ashley, Ohio is in that 88 car. Here we go, heat race number 3, rolling into the turn. John Geiger in the 06 and third. I believe second was the 7 of the lead, Barmanchantel. I'm out of breath, Andy.